Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Homebosslady YouTube channel, the place where we empower, inspire, and laugh together. I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you today. We have a new addition to our Homebosslady family, and her name is Lina. Yes. You got it right. That's me. Now, you might be wondering, what's Homebosslady all about? Well, it's not just a brand, it's a movement. Our mission is to bring peace and tranquility into your everyday lives by offering practical advice on money management, time organization, meal planning, and of course, sprinkling in some laughter with our regular comedy clips to boost your mood. I will be your go-to source for creating a life that's not only productive but also filled with joy. I am here to guide you through the journey of balancing work, family, and self-care, because let's face it, life can get a little crazy sometimes. And speaking of crazy, get ready to chuckle your way through the week with our hilarious comedy clips. Laughter is the best medicine, right? So, why not take a dose of it every day? So, whether you're looking for financial tips, time-saving hacks, delicious meal ideas, or just a good laugh, Homebosslady is your one-stop shop for all things life-enhancing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Homebosslady community, and let's embark on this journey together towards a more peaceful and joyful life. I can't wait for you to gather with me and experience the positivity and optimism I will bring to our Homebosslady family.